Every blockchain looks good in a bull market, but only few survive the stress, are able to scale, and onboard real users. 2025 was Solana's stress test, and it didn't just survive, it evolved. Everyone talks about speed in crypto, but this year, Solana focused on something harder: stability. Solana crossed 18 plus months without a major consensus failure. Frankendancer, the second validator client built with Jump Crypto, went live on mainnet. Now the block capacity expanded roughly by 25%. The transaction success rates improved and the block skip rates dropped below 0.3%. During the AWS disruptions that affected multiple crypto platforms, Solana reported no outages. And by the end of this year, reliability became an observable behavior on Solana. The Solana network was surely stabilized, but what about the usage? In the first half of 2025 alone, Solana processed over $1 trillion in DEX trading volume, accounting for more than 40% of the global DEX volume. But volume alone is not success, revenue is. Yes, and that's why between October 2024 to September 2025, Solana generated approximately $2.8 billion in protocol revenue. Most importantly, the protocol's revenue capture ratio also increased. This means that users are willing to pay priority fees for guaranteed execution. What about Solana's DeFi stack? Well, Jupiter became the liquidity backbone of the network. Also, the protocols like Drift, Kamino, Marginfi, and Orca evolved into production-grade financial primitives. What about developer activity? Solana added 11,500 plus new developers, and hackathons like Helium Breakout crossed 1,400 plus submissions, while Super Team expanded across 19 plus countries. And tooling? Yeah, it matured as well. Anchor stabilized, Seahorse opened Solana to Python developers, Solang improved Solidity compatibility, and infra providers like Helium scaled global RPC performance. That's it? No, wait for Act 3. In 2025, Solana expanded beyond DeFi. First, distribution. Solana Mobile launched its second device, Seeker, which recorded 30,000 pre-orders in the first 30 hours. Second, real-world infrastructure. DePIN became one of Solana's strongest proofs of utility. Helium coordinated hundreds of thousands of active hotspots. Hivemapper mapped real-world roads. Render and other networks handle decentralized compute. Third, institutions. Solana partnered with R3, one of the largest enterprise blockchain providers, opening paths to regulated financial infrastructure and real-world assets. Also, the stablecoin usage surged. USDC supply crossed $15 billion, making Solana one of the largest stablecoin settlement layers globally. On the protocol roadmap, Solana prepared for its next leap, Alpenglow. A new consensus design entered testing with a target of 150 millisecond finality. Perfection is a myth. This year wasn't perfect for Solana either. Low fees and easy launches also fueled meme coin speculation, rug pulls, and phishing attacks. Security tooling, user education, and compliance still lag ease of deployment. Solana has literally moved fast, but some risks have also moved with it. Zooming out, the shift is clear. 2025 was the year Solana matured. If it stays focused on reliability, real distribution, and institutional-grade execution in 2026, the outcomes will definitely compound naturally. And that's usually how long-term infrastructure will win on Solana.